Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So as you guys already know about this tragic accident which took place on 2nd of June. So in this video we're going to discuss about how this tragic accident happened, and we'll also get to know about what is the role of Kavach system. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start with the topic, which is Odisha train accident fully explained. So in Odisha case, this is one of the biggest lapses in signaling, and how did that happen we're going to discuss in the next slide. And this accident, Coromandel Express suffered collision not once but twice. Okay, so we will get to know in the next slide how did that happen. So how India train crash may have happened. In the coming slides, I am going to discuss exact sequence of events which is still under investigation. Okay, so first you have to imagine that there are three trains. Okay, first one is which is in grey color, which is goods train. Second one is Coromandel Express, which is in red color, and the third one is Howrah Superfast Express, which is in blue color. Okay, so this accident occurred in Balasore district of Odisha before Bhanganagar Bazaar station. Okay, so first you can see that this Coromandel train heading towards the south to Chennai and Howrah Superfast Express heading towards the north within the 130 km per hour limit. Okay, and here is the loop line as well. First you have to understand that what is the meaning of loop line. Loop line is like a service lanes that allowing another train to overtake. But here what happened is that when Coromandel Express departing from the Shalimar to Chennai left to time and would reach on time, because Mahanagar Bazaar was not one of its stop where a goods train stood. Okay, this goods train stood on the loop line so that Coromandel can pass easily. But what happened is that Coromandel Express accidentally entered in the loop line and got collided with the goods train. First few coaches flew into the air while those at the back fell on the down lines. And this accident happened due to this signal failure. That's why it hits stationary goods train. Okay. Next, what happened is that Coromandel Express derails. After impact, rear of Howrah Superfast Express collide with the derailed carriages. Okay, so in the simple words, coincidentally at the same time a train was headed towards the Howrah, this is the blue one, Howrah train, and suddenly collided with the derailed bogies. So that's how tragic accident happened and left more than 300 people dead and 900 injured. Here you can see that some of the Howrah Superfast Express's carriages also derailed due to the collision of derailed bogies. That's why this accident took place. Now these numbers have changed, and according to current report, Odisha train accident left nearly 300 dead and 900 injured. And after the rescue, restoration of tracks is underway, and Rail Minister said that change in electronic interlocking caused the accident. So the real reason behind this electronic interlocking. Okay. Now moving on to the next question, could the 300 lives have been saved with the help of Kavach system? In the next slide we'll get to know about what is the role of Kavach system. According to reports, in 2012 a train collision prevention system was designed, now named as Kavach system. It is an automatic train protection, which is abbreviated as ATP, automatic train protection system, which has been indigenously developed by Research Design and Standards Organization in collaboration with the Indian industry. This Kavach was designed to help the Indian Railway to achieve zero accidents during train operations across the Indian railways. And according to Ashwani Vaishnav, who is the Rail Minister, this system is Safety Integrity Level 4 certified, meaning that Kavach reduces probability of accident to 1 in 10,000 years. This is such an advanced security system that it reads any obstacles from 10 kilometers away by use of radio waves that reduces the speed of train to 30 km per hour, making it easier to stop in time. But there was a huge difference between a great product and its on-ground implementation. And this Kavach system only available in 2% of Indian railway lines networks. But here you can see that plan was to extend Kavach system up to 2000 km rail network in 2022 to 2023, but so far only 1445 km of routes covered. And one thing you have to know that total rail network of India is 68,000 km, but yet only covered 1445. Okay, which only 2% coverage is done, and at this speed it won't be completed in our lifetimes. Now in this slide I am going to tell you some reports related to CAG, which stands for Comptroller Auditor General. According to CAG reports from 2017 to 2021, total 1127 derailments already happened yet. So here you can see that according to CAG report, engineering department, operating department and mechanical department accounted for 4,22,275 and 182 derailments respectively. And the major factors responsible for derailments were maintenance of track, deviation of track parameters beyond permissible limits, incorrect setting of points, wheel diameter variations and defect in coaches or wagons, and also slow renewal. So till now in 540 cases, which is equals to 63%, the inquiry reports were not submitted yet to the accepting authority, and there was also delay in acceptance of the reports by accepting authorities in 421 cases, which is equals to 49%. So according to these reports, here we came to a conclusion that this is not just an accident, there was signs and warning of man-made errors before as well. So the derailment did not stop because our focus was not there. Even CAG report also suggested before as well that strict action should be taken. So in simple words, on the surface everything looks good, isn't it? But there are deeper problems that we need to be acknowledged yet. Till now, keeping everything in mind, whatever administrative information has been received so far, according to news report, the Railway Board has recommended that further investigation be carried out by the CBI under Odisha train accident. And this information given by our Railway Minister Ashwani Vaishnav. So here you can see our heroes who saved many lives and took out injured people from the trains, and salute to their hard work. In the end, I would like to say that after the blood donation incident, I can definitely say that Odia people deserve respect for this act. Really want to salute to all of them to show the power of unity. Kudos to them. The courage and compassion shown by the people of our nation in the face of adversity is truly inspiring. And deepest condolences to the affected families in Odia. So this is the end of a topic, and I hope you have found this video informative, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care. I'll see you in the next one.